You know, for as long as I've been doing this XR glasses thing, there's been one holy grail we all keep chasing. Take the stuff you already watch, the stuff you already play, and just make it 3D. Not some sort of special formatted movie, not a game someone built stereo 3D into. Everything. Whatever's on the screen. And I gotta tell you, VITURE just pushed an update that does exactly that in real time, automatically. And I've been living with it for the last couple of weeks while I see if it holds up. And spoiler, there's a lot to like here. So let's get into it. Hey everybody, Don here with VRGD Studios and welcome back. So today we're talking about one feature and one feature only because it's a big one. So VITURE just rolled out their Immersive Auto 3D. That's their real-time AI-powered 2D to 3D conversion running right on the Pro Neckband. So today I'm testing it out with both the Luma Ultra and the Beast to see how it compares and looks across two different pairs of glasses. Now, keep in mind, anyone watching this back on a 2D screen isn't going to see any sort of 3D effect in this footage. So you'll just have to take my word on this one. Okay. So let's define what we're actually talking about here, because 2D to 3D gets thrown around a lot these days, and it usually means something disappointing. What VITURE's doing here is real-time depth conversion powered by AI. So the system is looking at every single frame, figuring out what's close, what's far, how everything sits in space, and then it rebuilds that frame in stereoscopic 3D and sends it to the glasses, one image for each eye on the fly. Now, they're calling it the world's first, for XR glasses, and as far as doing it live on this kind of hardware, well, I think that's a fair claim. I mean, VITURE was who lit the fuse on all of this AI 2D to 3D conversion with their collaboration with NVIDIA. I still remember getting my first look at this tech back at GTC 2 years ago, and it's been amazing to see it grow and finally come to its intended home, which is the Pro Neckband. Now, here's the part that got me. This isn't just for a couple of supported apps. You just turn it on, and your movies, your YouTube, your personal videos, even a game, they all just run pretty much flawlessly in 3D. I mean, anything that runs on this screen is three-dimensional now. That's the whole pitch, and that's why I wanted to give it its own video. Oh, and I should also mention this update is completely free, unlike some other services that charge for their 2D and 3D conversion on the PC side, at least. There's no subscription here, nothing to unlock. I mean, you've got a VITURE set up, you could try this right now. You just make sure that you're running the latest update on both your glasses and your neckband, and, well, you're in. Now, the good news is turning this on is dead simple, okay? It's baked right into the neckband now. So you just jump over to your settings, you flip on Immersive Auto 3D, and you've got an auto mode. You just set it and you forget it. Now, one thing to mention, though, is that currently this feature does seem to be for their pure Android side of things. I didn't see the option until I switched over to that mode, but once I did, it was right there in the menu waiting for me to activate it. And that does bring me to the fact, though, that I do hope that VITURE brings this over to the spacewalker side of things on the Pro Neckband as well, because honestly, this is the mode I spend most of my time in. Now, since I tested this on both pairs of glasses, let me tell you how it differs for this specific feature, because these two things are not the same, okay? So Beast gives you a wider canvas through its larger virtual screen and 120 Hertz. So the 3D effect here has room to wrap around you and feels grander and more theatrical. The Luma Ultra is a little tighter. okay? But you're getting that higher peak brightness and the full 6 DoF setup. So highlights really punch and the image holds up beautifully in a brighter room, and with the 6 DoF really selling the 3D effect even more than you could possibly believe. Now, bottom line for 3D specifically, okay, the beast for that big immersive sit back and get lost feeling, Luma Ultra when you want maximum brightness and spatial presence. You honestly can't go wrong with either, it just depends on your buy. Okay, now let me be real with you for a minute because that's why you're here, all right? AI 2D to 3D conversion, as amazing as it is, that and the fact that it runs live is not magic, okay? It, on clean, well-lit, steady footage, it looks fantastic. But throw something busy at it. Fast motion, lots of overlapping, objects, heavy visual effects, and well, you can catch the AI guessing. You'll occasionally see something on a 3D plane it doesn't quite belong on, or an edge that doesn't separate cleanly. It's not constant and it's not a deal breaker, but it is there, and I didn't want to gloss over it for people who are really excited for this feature. Now, overall, where do I land on this? I mean, the fact that I can put on my glasses, flip one setting, and have basically my entire library of flat content become three-dimensional in real time for free with no extra box and no rendering weight, that's genuinely impressive, and I am just happier than the clam. And this is the kind of thing that keeps me reaching for these glasses. All right, guys, I think that's going to do it. So those are my thoughts on VITURE's new Auto Immersive 3D. One feature, but really a significant one. And I think it's only going to get better as time goes on and they keep refining it. So if you want to try it, again, it is a free update on the Pro Neckband if you got one. So there's really no reason not to turn it on and play with it and check out those depth mode settings until it looks right for your eyes. And if you are looking to grab any of this gear, if you're really wanting to jump on the craze now, I mean, the Pro Neckband, the Luma Ultra, the Beast, I'll drop my link for VITURE down in the description. And, you know, full honesty, it is an affiliate link and it will save you 10% on your entire purchase from the company. And it does help the channel out a little bit at no extra cost to you. So if you're looking to buy the gear anyway, save yourself some money, help me out, and it's a win-win. You know, and if you got something out of this video, please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and then stick around. I've got more awesome content from VITURE to show you guys coming up, hopefully soon. But for me, that's going to do it for today. I'll see you in the next one. This is Don, signing off.